Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I don't know if you noticed, but it is very quiet. The kids are away. They are out and surfing, and Mama's gonna go for a beautiful coastal walk. Oh, take a look at this view, guys. So I know it looks pretty far away, but it's not actually. It's about a 5-minute walk to get to the coast, but it's really nice. A little bit rocky, but it's okay. I got flip-flops on and I'm not worried because I know the trail already, how to get there. But it's so beautiful to sit on the coast and just, have that moment, where you can sit there and think and get your thoughts together. And I like to go there when I have the chance of the peace, and then just meditate and just get my mind together and think. I sometimes think we don't really take that time out to just sit back and think and just enjoy that moment, enjoy life and think. We always get so caught up in the hustle and bustle of driving here, doing that. And I've pretty much been on the go on this trip, and don't worry, I'm not complaining. I love it. But sometimes you need that moment where you just gotta sit back and just relax and enjoy the simple things of just taking a walk and not so much in a rush all the time. Check this out. It's so cute because on the way to the coast, sometimes the chipmunks come out. They're like little chipmunks. They're so cute. A lot of people that come to visit, they feed them. I don't feed them because I don't think it's good, but they're so cute. So if I see some, I'll show you all. The little chipmunks. Yeah. This is my walk to the coast. So sometimes when I'm walking through here, sometimes I really have the impression I'm on the moon. It's so rocky, and it's just a different type of landscape, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. Definitely can take an appreciation for it. Not a lot of people like this rockiness, but I love it. It's going to get really windy, so I'm going to shut the sound off. So enjoy the view. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's see, today's plan is tennis, and I don't know, perhaps we go to the beach, do something surprising, we'll see. We're trying to enjoy our last few days here on the island. So, we'll see what comes up. So, don't go nowhere. See you in a bit. everybody. I'm back. Oh my gosh, I just came up with this. Well, actually, I didn't come up with it, but I just had a food for thought. Check out this scenery. Peaceful, isn't it? Peaceful, quiet. Well, sometimes we go through situations in life and we think, oh my gosh, I'm in this by myself. But honestly, you're not in it by yourself. I'll tell you why. So, and you think, oh my gosh, I'm so like in this, whatever the situation may be, I'm in it by myself. But you're not really in it by yourself. Look around, there's nobody there, right? Just you. Well, that's the key. You're there. And guess what? Anything you're going through, the answers are here. Sometimes you just need to pull back and be in that quiet moment, be in that quiet space, and trust in your decisions, trust in yourself. And whatever it may be, the answers will come to you. Sometimes it's better to be like this than to have a crowd of people around you with all their different opinions and the decisions that you need to make. Often the answers are here. I don't know, guys. I was out here and just had that little thought in my head. It came up, so I hope that I'm able to help somebody who's going through something, whatever it may be, because I know we're all coming up on, or we all have situations where we're like, oh my gosh, what do I do? Just trust in yourself. You got this. That's it, guys. See you later, and don't go nowhere.